Bob's Helicopter Rides. Do you want thrills? Chills? Sure you do. See the mountains, see the wildlife, see whatever the heck this building is. Fun for the whole family. Children under 21 not allowed. Only $999.95 for 1 hour. Bob's Helicopter Rides. Come get some awesome today.
Terms and conditions apply. Not FAA certified. Not responsible for deaths, injuries, or awesomeness. All passengers must be at least 43 inches tall, weigh less than 500 pounds, and be able to bench press at least 200 pounds. Do not take Bob's Helicopter Rides with NSAID pain relievers, alcohol, or if you're just a little scaredy cat.
Common side effects include drowsiness, fatigue, dry mouth, and sudden decapitation. When waiting to board, do not yell, "Get to the chopper." We've heard it 1,000 times already, okay? I mean, we understand that there's very little other quotes surrounding helicopter usage, but could you please try to be a little bit more original? Please? Thanks.